back to KP's Kingdom, cooking with KP, and today I'm going to show you how to make this really nice honey, lemon, chicken and broccoli. A real easy weeknight stir fry, and it's great to do. I've got about a quarter to a third of a cup's worth of honey there, and about the same amount again of fresh lemon juice. Alright, so we've got to put those two into a little bowl, and we're going to add in about a tablespoon's worth of oyster sauce. That can go straight in to our little bowl as well, and about the same again of a good quality soy sauce. Right, just put all those together and start giving that a little bit of a stir and get that honey mixed up with those lighter liquids. So just keep stirring that through. I'm going to add in around about 1.5 tablespoons worth of cornstarch or corn flour. You could use potato starch if you wish, and we're just going to stir that in and make up a little bit of a sauce. We're going to use this right at the end of cooking this particular dish. Alright, so I've got my wok out. Bit of peanut oil can go straight in. We're going to get a bit of heat happening to that, and I've got about half a kilo's worth of broccoli florets. Alright, you can use fresh, or you could, if you want to cheat and make things a little bit quicker, you can even use the frozen stuff. It's going to work out exactly the same. Right, put those in, cook those until you are happy with them. If you like crunchy broccoli, leave it crunchy. If you like your broccoli a little bit softer, well, leave it a little bit longer and let it go a little bit softer. Right, sometimes the kids don't like the harder broccoli. Alright, so I've done the broccoli off in a couple of batches. Here I've got 500 grams worth of chicken thighs, and all I've done is cube those up nice and small, and we're just going to cook these off in batches. I've also got 1.5 brown onions which I've thinly sliced. I'm just going to add those in from time to time, and we're just going to cook everything together. This whole dish is going to take you about 15 minutes maximum, okay, apart from preparation time. So just cook your chicken off in batches and make sure it's cooked pretty much really well through. We don't want a salmonella special on this particular night. Right, so just keep stirring that around until your first batch is done, and then we can remove that from the wok and we can add that straight to the broccoli if we want to. And all we have to simply do is cook that chicken off in a couple of batches. It will cook really nice and quickly, and your wok will stay nice and hot. We want to stir fry this chicken. We don't want it to stew. So I'm going in with my second batch. I'm not going to bore you with cooking that whole second batch, but I am going to add in more onion as I go and get some colour on that onion, right, just like I'm going to be doing right there. Right, so just put your onion in, give that a good stir through from time to time, and that'll catch the heat of the wok, same as the chicken does, and it will cook pretty much at about the same sort of time. I'm going to add in about a teaspoon's worth of garlic paste and a teaspoon's worth of ginger paste. They can go straight in as well. Get all of that a good stir, get all those flavours all mixed together. A little bit of sesame oil, just a little drizzle, probably about half a teaspoon's worth. They can go straight in, just like that, and we're getting ready to finish this whole meal off. Return your broccoli and the first batches of chicken that we've cooked, put all of that straight into the wok. Give it all a good stir, get a bit more heat happening to it. Right, it's not going to take very long at all, and the smell in the kitchen is amazing. Mrs. KP is steaming some rice up on the other side of the kitchen, and all I'm going to do now is add my sauce that we made right at the beginning, that beautiful honey, lemons and soy sauce mixture. Put all of that straight in, and all we have to do now is toss all of that through, and that cornstarch is going to help thicken that sauce up, so it's going to stick to everything in the wok there. Okay, so you can serve that up with noodle, serve it up with some rice, whatever you like. It is a real quick, easy dish to do on a weeknight, and I'd love to see you try and make this one at home. It is that easy and inexpensive to do. Thank you so much for watching this video, really do appreciate it, and add some sesame seeds over the top, toasted sesame seeds. Don't forget to hit that notifications bell to be notified every time a new video goes up, and please share this video with all your friends on all platforms of social media. Please leave a comment. Love reading, love responding to them. But if you want to learn how to make a real quick budget stir fry dish just like this one, we need to come and join the family. My family, hit that subscribe button and you'll never miss another one of my videos again. Off to eat my honey, lemon, chicken and broccoli, and I will catch you next time. Bye.